such a gentleman.
I know, I forgot to grab.
Well, alrighty guys, this is kind of an impromptu video. We're just going to be talking about our rigs, future upgrades, camping plans, and possibly a trip to Moab in the next few months. So, if you guys want to introduce yourselves.
Guess I'll go ahead and go first. My name is Derek. I drive the Jeep JKU. It's a 2007 Wrangler Unlimited. And my goals for this upcoming year, or just future goals, because I have a lot of things I want to do to the rig. I want to, number one, do my gears, re-gear, so I can crawl some cool curbs at the mall.
There you go.
Yeah, there we
Nice.
go.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to get a winch. I need to get some more lighting on the Jeep. Some backup lights would be nice.
Chase light would be
yeah,
good too.
Chase light would be good.
Yeah.
Do a what I really want to do is like a front-facing camera and a rear-facing camera, and hook it up to like my place my radio in there, so won't have to like spot too hard sometimes. You know, have to get out and check all the time.
That's a good idea.
Let's see. I do eventually want to get a rooftop tent. Want to do some more overlanding with these guys.
Yeah.
And
Overland.
yeah, do some more overlanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finding all the malls parking spots and
Yeah.
give first dibs there.
Do parking garages,
Can't
just
put them all.
whatever.
King of the mall.
Yep. Yep. And yeah, so for more trips this year, just want to hang out with these fellas some more, and you know, go wherever the road takes us.
Yeah.
Do more trips just around the state, even out of state, and yeah, just explore new places and get it going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep the channel going. We will be doing rig walkarounds of both of the vehicles. Even we'll do them soon, and then as you know, time passes, when they do more and more upgrades, we'll just do updates, or we'll just do whole new rig walkarounds, whatever you guys want. All right, what about you, buddy?
All right. Hi, I'm Travis. I have the 95 Jeep Cherokee XJ. It's currently sitting on 7 inches of lift on 35s. In the future, I want to do some boat sides, some rock sliders, and eventually I want to do a roof rack.
That'd be
and
good.
Possibly a rooftop tent. I don't know yet. Not too sure. Still looking into that. But yeah, that's about it.
Well, you were gonna go up to 37s, possibly, right?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I don't know. Depending.
awesome.
But maybe some new bead locks, some race lines, and possibly 37s, but I'm not sure yet.
That'd be awesome. I know on Victoria, some of the upgrades I want to do is on an extended fuel tank. Should add another 10 gallons of gas to it, so we'd be able to get farther without having to hit every gas station, since I get 12.5 miles a gallon. I want to do some DIY rock sliders on it, so stay tuned for that in the future. I want to put the rear bumper back on the Jeep with the tire carrier, so it leaves more room in the back, so I can actually make a drawer system, so I don't have to rely on the totes for the food and the camera gear and the recovery gear and everything. Other than that, just make sure it's tip-top shape. I do want to do a slip yoke eliminator, so I could get rid of the transfer case drop and possibly do a long arm lift in the future, just so it's smoother on the road and everything. Maybe actually go back to square headlights so it doesn't look all goofy going down the highway. Other than that, just keep putting out great content for you guys. Just explore the entire state. Go to other states. I want to go to New Mexico and explore a lot of that territory. Definitely southern Colorado by like Ouray and Black Bear Pass, and do that whole area. Like to go to, you know, Oregon and Washington to visit the wife's family and everything. Go drive on the beach of Washington and all that. Utah, we definitely want to do Moab. I'm thinking in like maybe March or April, possibly. I think March we'll do a week or 2 week trip to Moab. We just need suggestions on trails to hit or places to camp, or if you guys have any information like that, just let us know. Post in the comments section or message me on Instagram or whatever. I'll put my Instagram in the description of the video. We're just trying to make it an awesome trip for you guys, to make it actually worth watching and fun. And we've never been there before, so we just want to make it as fun as possible. Other than that, this video was kind of impromptu. We just were, you know, having a couple adult drinks and eating dinner, and we just figured we'd sit down and make it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put both of their Instagrams in the description. If you guys have any questions about any of our upgrades we're possibly wanting to do, or anything we've done, any questions about any of the trips we want to go on, anything, just post in the comments section. I'll get right back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Just please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Thank you.
Should we do a cheers?
Sure.
Here's
To the adventures
2021.
of 2021. Yep. That was great.
There we go.
Good shit.